Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this white muffler. For making muffler, you need 2 ball of yarn and 7 mm hook. You also need scissor, which is very important. First we will make a slip knot. Place your hook on the yarn, rotate it like that, under, over and pull through. Now we will make chain. Here I made 120 chain. You can make according to your height. Here I chained 7 to 8 chain only, just to teach you as a short guy. When you will complete your 120 chain or according to your height, here we will work on the second hook from the chain and make a half double crochet slip stitch. And keep making half double crochet slip stitch on all the chain. If you want a detailed video on this, you can comment down and make sure to subscribe my channel for more amazing crochet videos. When you reach the end, make a chain 1 and rotate it like that and start doing half double crochet slip stitch back and forth, and when you reach the end, chain 1 and rotate your work and start doing half double crochet slip stitch.